Sony surprises us once again with a brand new set of earbuds that are going to blow you away. These Sony LinkBuds truly wireless earbuds are unlike any other, and I can't wait to tell you all about them. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. What makes these Sony LinkBuds different from other earbuds in their category? Well, if you can't already tell by the look of them, it's the design. This open ring design is going to blend the natural sounds around you with the digital sounds from the buds themselves. These fit snugly in your ear and they're not going to fall out no matter how much you're moving around. They're also super comfortable, and I even forget I'm wearing them sometimes. You can hear your music, your calls, play games, all while staying connected to the outside world. You'll be able to hear conversations around you or what train stop is coming up next without ever missing a beat of your favorite song. I do want to note, since these have the open ring design, they're not going to be noise canceling, which makes sense. If that's what you're looking for, these aren't going to be the earbuds for you. When it comes to the sound on these, you're going to love it. They use a V1 processor that makes sure you've got all the detail in your music without distorting it in any way. They've got a clear mid to high range, and the bass is decent for being open. Obviously, it'll be lacking a little bit because to get some really solid bass, they'd have to be fully in-ear without an open design. That being said, you can make all kinds of adjustments to your sound in the Sony Headphones Connect app. There are a ton of different EQ presets you can choose from, or you can customize your own. The app even has a 360 spatial audio personalizer that adapts and analyzes your ear shape and creates your own personal spatial sound field when paired with Bravia XR TVs. There's also adaptive volume control that automatically optimizes volume based on your environment. So if you're in a quieter location, it'll lower the volume, and if you're in a noisier spot, it'll pump the volume right up. The LinkBuds utilize a digital sound enhancement engine, or DSEE, that will restore your music to a higher quality sound if the original file is compressed. And with Speak to Chat, they'll automatically pause your audio as soon as you start speaking to someone. So you're not going to have to awkwardly fumble around trying to take your earbuds out just to have a conversation. And when that conversation is over, your audio will restart after about 15 seconds. Call quality is an important factor when choosing headphones or earbuds, and these are pretty solid. They use precise voice pickup technology to optimally control multiple microphones and then perform advanced voice signal processing to allow the person on the other end of the calls to hear you clearly, no matter how noisy your surroundings. Now, with these Sony LinkBuds, you never have to actually touch the buds to control them. Instead, they use wide area tap. So you just double tap or triple tap in front of either ear to control your music. You can configure the tap operations in the app on your phone to customize it for what works for you. It is only a double or triple tap, no single taps. The touch controls may take some getting used to, but as long as you tap with intent, you should be good to go. The Sony LinkBuds are voice assistant compatible for both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. They're IPX4 splash-proof and sweat-proof, and they have fast pairing. Fast pairing will pair your LinkBuds with your Android device with just a tap. You can easily find your headphones this way by pinging them or checking their last known location on your phone. They've also got Bluetooth compatibility that transmits the Bluetooth signal to both ears at the same time for lower latency and high quality sound. The charging case is small, it's rounded, and it's pretty comfortable in my hand. You get up to 5.5 hours of battery life on the headphones themselves and up to 17.5 with the charging case. With quick charging, you get 90 minutes after just a 10-minute charge. It comes with 5 sizes of earbud tips for ultimate comfort, and something that I think is really cool is that it's packaged with recycled plastic materials, so it's reducing its environmental impact. If you have any other questions about the Sony LinkBuds truly wireless earbuds, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. All right, buds, I'm out of here. I'll see you next time.